Hi, hello viewers. Once again, welcome back to Spoken English Achievers. Today we are going to learn 50 common English questions and answers. I am sure these questions and answers are very useful to you. Let's start. Can you play tennis? Can you play tennis? Yes, I can play tennis. Yes, I can play tennis. When do you close the shop? When do you close the shop? We close the shop at 10 pm. We close the shop at 10 pm. What time do you open the shop? What time do you open the shop? We open the shop at 8 am. We open the shop at 8 am. Can you offer me any discount? Can you offer me any discount? No, I can't offer you any discount. No, I can't offer you any discount. Why are you late? Why are you late? I took my grandmother to the hospital. I took my grandmother to the hospital. How long are you going to stay here? How long are you going to stay here? About 2 weeks. About 2 weeks. Are you sick? Are you sick? Yes, I am sick. Yes, I am sick. Did you receive my message? Did you receive my message? No, I didn't receive your message. No, I didn't receive your message. Is there any hospital here? Is there any hospital here? Yes, there is a hospital nearby. Yes, there is a hospital nearby. How do you go to work? How do you go to work? I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am free tomorrow. Yes, I am free tomorrow. How is she? How is she? She is very beautiful. She is very beautiful. How does it taste? How does it taste? It is delicious. It is delicious. What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? I would like to drink coffee. I would like to drink coffee. Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? Yes, I want one more chair and fan. Yes, I want one more chair and fan. How would you like to pay? How would you like to pay? I would like to pay by cash. I would like to pay by cash. How much is it? How much is it? It is 1 lakh rupees. It is 1 lakh rupees. How can I help you? How can I help you? You come with me, that's enough. You come with me, that's enough. Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? I would like to go to beach. I would like to go to beach. How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? I speak 4 languages. I speak 4 languages. What time do you have breakfast? What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. I have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. What time do you get up? What time do you get up? I usually get up at 5:30 a.m. I usually get up at 5:30 a.m. Who do you live with? Who do you live with? I live with my parents. I live with my parents. Let's move to the next one. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. What religion are you? What religion are you? I am a Christian. I am a Christian. Let's see the next one. How many people are there? How many people are there? 500 people are there. 500 people are there. Let's see the next one. Whom did you see? Whom did you see? I saw my old friend. I saw my old friend. How long will it take to go there? How long will it take to go there? It will take 5 hours to go there. It will take 5 hours to go there. Whose idea is this? Whose idea is this? This is my sister's idea. This is my sister's idea. How is your mother? How is your mother? She is much better now. She is much better now. Let's move to the next one. When does she arrive? When does she arrive? She arrives at 9:30 a.m. She arrives at 9:30 a.m. Who is at the door? Who is at the door? My uncle is at the door. My uncle is at the door. Let's see the next one. Whom do you want to meet? Whom do you want to meet? I want to meet my friend. I want to meet my friend. Who broke this? Who broke this? I broke this unknowingly. Sorry. I broke this unknowingly. Sorry. Where are they? Where are they? They are in hotel. They are in hotel. The next one is, where are we? Where are we? We are in Mumbai. We are in Mumbai. Whose scooty is this? Whose scooty is this? This is my mom's scooty. This is my mom's scooty. What is this? What is this? This is my new dress. This is my new dress. Let's see the next one. What did she say? What did she say? She said nothing. She said nothing. Is he your relative? Is he your relative? No, he is my neighbor. No, he is my neighbor. Who is she? Who is she? She is my cousin. She is my cousin. Who can do this work? Who can do this work? We can do this work. We can do this work. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? Watching movies, reading books, and playing tennis. Watching movies, reading books, and playing tennis. Can I speak to Mr. Jacob? Can I speak to Mr. Jacob? No, he is in meeting. No, he is in meeting. What do you think about this new book? What do you think about this new book? It is very interesting. It is very interesting. What did you buy yesterday? What did you buy yesterday? I bought a refrigerator. I bought a refrigerator. What time do you go to office? What time do you go to office? I go to office at 10 a.m. I go to office at 10 a.m. How many places have you visited? How many places have you visited? I have visited many places. I have visited many places. What happened? What happened? She fell down. She fell down. Let's move to the next one. Do you need my help? Do you need my help? Yes, I need your help. Yes, I need your help. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.